Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you a simple binary option strategy. Let's start. Okay dear friend, this is a very useful and profitable strategy. And before that, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, like it. If you wanna learn, join and enjoy. Okay. First of all, we're gonna start with adding indicators to the chart, okay? The first indicator is the Bollinger Bands indicator. We set the period of this indicator to 20 and the deviation to 2. Set the color setting to the desired value. We can remove the background and remove middle line. Okay? The next indicator we need is the super trend indicator. Okay. Super trend. Yes. In this indicator, we must set period value to 1 and multiplier to 1, 2. Okay? Yes. Please note that the time of candle in this strategy are fixed at 30 seconds. Okay. And the time of trade at 1 minute. Well, let's go to the strategy and method of trading with it. For buying position, we are looking for candles that touch the oversold area or lower deviation of the Bollinger Bands indicator, and also the super trend indicator displays green color and the higher words. Please pay attention to the example. For selling position, we are looking for candles that touch or cross the overbought range or area or upper deviation of the Bollinger Bands indicator, and the super trend indicator display red color or lower. Okay? Attention to the example. Dear friends, before trading in the real account, be sure to practice this strategy in the demo account and find your bugs or problems in this strategy. Okay, in order to better learn this strategy and the way to trade with it, I will do some trades. Stay with me. Dear friends, please look carefully at the positions and places of the trade. To register in this platform, you can use the links below the video. This strategy name is SBB and very profitable strategy. Okay. Don't forget, look at the support and resistance area and use them if possible. Okay. You can see. This position closed on my trade positions. Okay dear friends, thanks for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Before trading in the real account, you should practice this strategy in the demo accounts. Don't forget you are the best. Try and fail, but never fail to try. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.